Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find saved draft post in Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on what's on your mind, and here you need to add any post. I'm going to write I am coming to your town. Okay, and then you need to click on this option, and let's suppose I want to save this draft. So how I can find that? So here you can see a little Facebook icon of notification. So you simply need to scroll from the top and click on your draft was saved, tap to make changes. So you simply need to click on that, and here you can see my draft, and here you can see that it expire in 3 days. So if you want to make change, you have only 3 days, and if you want to change, you simply need to click on three dots and click on open draft, and you can make any change in that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.